Let's learn how to fix one of the biggest mistakes in smart home. A lot of people install smart bulbs but still use the wall switch in the traditional way. And the problem? The moment you turn off the switch, you are literally cutting power to the bulb. And as soon as that happens, it loses Wi-Fi or Zigbee connection, it stops responding in the app, it stops working with Alexa or Google or any other voice assistants, and your automations simply stop working. So basically your smart light is no longer smart. But there's a feature from SONOFF called Detach Relay that fixes exactly this problem. The Detach Relay function allows you to separate the physical switch button from the internal relay of the module. In practice, this means the button stops cutting power to the bulb, while the relay remains available through the app, automations or voice assistants. And that's exactly what makes this feature so important in a smart home. So if you want to control smart bulbs using the physical wall switch, what you need is Detach Relay. In this example, I have a Wi-Fi smart bulb and a traditional wall switch connected to a SONOFF module. Without Detach Relay enabled, every time I turn off the switch, the power gets cut and the bulb immediately goes offline. But if you go into the module settings and enable the Detach Relay option, the physical switch stops cutting power and starts working only as a smart trigger. And now watch what happens. As you can see, I can turn the physical switch on and off, but the bulb stays online the entire time. It's still accessible in the eWeLink app, automations continue to work, and voice assistants keep responding normally. Now there's only one thing left: making the switch control the bulb virtually. To do that, we'll create an automation. When the switch is clicked, we'll toggle the bulb state. And this is what allows you to control the bulb using the wall switch without ever cutting the power. So basically, the bulb always stays online while still keeping the normal experience of using a physical switch. Detach Relay can also be used to trigger scenes. You can use a switch to turn off all the lights, close the blinds or trigger pretty much anything you want. As you can see, this is an incredibly useful feature for controlling a smart home. I hope this video helped improve your smart home setup. Now let me know in the comments, how are you using the Detach Relay in your smart home? Guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.